So actually what we're looking at in terms of this protein is that if you look at the outside of the virus, there are different proteins on the outside. So this is just one that's on the outside. It's called the envelope protein, because when the virus buds out of the cell, it picks up the cellular membrane, and that's like the envelope of this virus. So this is just a protein on the outside that people have shown, I've not done this work, but people have shown that if you take this protein by itself and just put it into human breast cells, you can start to see tumorigenic changes. And people have shown that there are specific sequences within this protein that react, what they're called tyrosine reactive sequences. So if you have a tyrosine, which is an amino acid in this region, there are enzymes that will kind of turn on these tyrosines, they signal to them, and these mechanisms actually start tumors growing. It's been shown in other tumors that this can work. And so it's a very interesting phenomenon now to look at in terms of MMTV and also human breast tumors, that there might be a specific protein that we could focus on, that if we could inhibit, first understand more how it's working, we could inhibit it and perhaps inhibit tumor formation. We know the protein, we know what it is, okay? We know that it has these sequences on it that makes it responsive to be activated, okay? We know that these sequences are on other viruses, retroviruses, tumor viruses. And we know that it does in the human breast tumors, once it's put in, cause tumorigenic changes. So now the idea is, we've been looking at the protein from the mouse virus. Now the idea is that we've seen this same protein in human breast tumor cells, so now we know it's coming from the human mammary tumor virus. So the idea is to take this protein out of the human cells and look to see if its mechanism is the same as the one that's in the mouse virus. And if it is, then we really have a handle on what's going on.